HD Backup Sentry is a powerful and important program for the Bogart Windows and Linux editing systems. It is designed to back up your projects to an external hard drive as you go along with the editing process. Backing up your project is extremely important in the event of an internal hard drive or a random system failure, or if your footage becomes corrupt, in order to avoid the loss of many tedious editing hours. HD Backup Sentry installs with the main Bogart operating system and requires a license code obtained from a macro system dealer in order to activate it. HD Backup Sentry offers both a standard menu plus an expert menu option. Let's start with the standard menu. From the main Bogart menu, select the HD Backup Sentry option. The first menu option is Save Projects. In this menu, you have the option to save all currently used projects. This feature will back up every project currently on the internal hard drive of your Bogart editing system. The second menu option is Select Projects to Save. This is a powerful feature. You can select several projects or just the project you are currently working on. The third menu option is Save Archives To. This enables all of your custom fonts, graphics, colors, and effect combinations to be backed up in addition to the audio and video data. The Restore menu option enables you to locate the project file on an external hard drive and then restore it to the Bogart editing system in its original state with all of the effects, transitions, titles, and audio elements intact, exactly as you left it. The Delete Saved Projects menu enables you to delete the actual backup file on the external hard drive. Now, let's take a look at the Expert menu. From the main HD Backup Sentry menu, select the Show Expert option located near the bottom of the menu. Upon launching the Show Expert menu, there is a dialog box stating the following. You have selected the Expert menu. This allows you to save parts of the running project and restore parts into the running project. Please make sure to only use target projects which you want to restore to. Select OK. There will now be a new set of menu options to choose from. In addition to the Save, Restore, and Delete options, you now have Save Partial Project, Read Partial Project, Save Media Pool, Restore Media Pool, and Delete Media Pool Backup. In the Save Partial Project menu, you can save selective data from three categories: Project Complete, Project Individual, and Basic Data Only. You have the option to compress backup file as well. The three primary menu options in the Backup section will determine the options available in the Scene Bin, Storyboard Timeline, and Audio Samples sections. If you select Project Complete, the remaining three segment box options will be grayed out. If you select Project Individual, you have the option to save scenes in the Scene Bin box with or without trim. In the Storyboard Timeline box, you have the option to save with or without the audio mix. In the Samples box, you have the option to save with or without trim. If you select Basic Data Only, you have the option in the Scene Bin box to save all or no scenes, with or without trim. In the Storyboard Timeline box, you have the option to save all or none of the storyboard scenes. And in the Samples box, you have the option to save all or none of the audio samples with or without trim. For this demo, I'm going to save and then restore a partial project. Go to the Expert menu, then select Save Partial Project. Select Basic Data Only. I want to save all 34 storyboard scenes. Uncheck the Scene Bin and Audio Samples boxes. Select an external hard drive source, name the project, then click Save. To restore the partial project, select the Read Partial Project option. Then select the project folder on the external hard drive, then choose an empty Bogart project or an existing project and click OK to start the reading process. Now, let's save and restore just the media pool data. Go to the Expert menu, then select the Save Media Pool option. Select an external hard drive source, name the project. There's the option to save with or without trim and the option to compress the backup file. Then click Save. To restore the media pool data, select the Restore Media Pool option. Then select the project folder on the external hard drive, then click OK. You have the option to clear media pool before restore or add data to media pool. In addition, there is an excellent feature within the HD Backup Sentry software that will repair corrupt footage. During the backup process, the software scans, and if it detects a corrupt audio or video file, the software will display the actual scene name and its location, then ask you if you want to repair it. Select OK. The system will fix most, if not all, corrupt files or frames before completing the backup process. This is a very powerful feature that will save you many hours from re-ingesting the raw footage. HD Backup Sentry for Bogart Windows and Linux editing systems. Macro System.